Airbus's primary competitor is Boeing Company, based in the United States. Before the introduction of the Beluga XL, Boeing had created its own large-scale cargo freighter, which is dubbed the Dreamlifter. Modeled off of the frame of a 747-400 airliner, the Dreamlifter was specifically designed to haul parts of the company's new 787 Dreamliner. Like the Beluga, the Dreamlifter features a bulbous fuselage. However, it is 235 feet long and 70 feet high and bears a wingspan of 211 feet, making it the larger of the two planes.